Click on the link below to get price. The Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope NexiusZoom EVO is an impressive piece of equipment that excels in both functionality and design. With a zoom objective range of 0.65x to 5.5x, this microscope offers flexibility for a variety of applications, from biological studies to intricate electronics inspection. The optical clarity is outstanding, thanks to high-quality glass lenses that deliver sharp images with excellent color fidelity. One of the standout features of the NexiusZoom EVO is its trinocular head. This design not only allows for standard viewing through the oculars but also includes a third port for a camera, which is a game-changer for documentation and sharing findings. This feature is particularly beneficial for educators and professionals who wish to capture images for reports or presentations. The ability to switch between viewing options seamlessly enhances the user experience and efficiency. Adjusting the zoom is smooth and precise, which is critical when working on detailed specimens. The ergonomic design ensures that even prolonged usage doesn't lead to discomfort, thanks to adjustable eyepieces that cater to different users. Additionally, the built-in LED illumination provides consistent lighting, which is adjustable to suit various specimen requirements, eliminating shadows and highlighting fine details. One minor drawback is that the base could be more stable, as it may wobble slightly during use if not placed on a sturdy surface. However, this is a minor issue compared to the overall performance of the microscope. The build quality is solid, and it feels robust, which is reassuring for both casual users and professionals. In conclusion, the Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope NexiusZoom EVO is a versatile and high-performing instrument that meets the needs of a wide range of users. Whether you're an educator, researcher, or hobbyist, this microscope will undoubtedly enhance your observational capabilities and provide stunning clarity in your work. The combination of optical excellence, user-friendly features, and thoughtful design makes it a worthwhile investment.